Yo, what is good, everybody? Welcome back to another unboxing video. So it is November, guys, and we are gonna open Keto Crates month of November mystery box. Now I call it a mystery box because I have no clue what's in it. Yes, they sent me an email letting me know what's inside it, but I never read emails. And besides, I like to be surprised. I don't know about you, but I love surprises. So let's open this up. Let's see what's inside. Let's test a couple of items and let you know what I think. So here we go, guys. Let's open this bad boy up. The Keto Crate box. Ta-da! All right, okay. So one thing that I always say, they always give you like these little nice little pamphlets that are pretty cool, packed with tons of information. So as you can see right now, with it being November, there's probably a bunch of like turkey tips, things to do on Thanksgiving, keto stuffing recipes. So that's pretty cool. These things are always packed with a bunch of useful information, but of course I don't read stuff like that because I come here for the goodies, guys. So this right here is new. This is the keto friendly lemon almond crunch bar. Can you guys see that? Can you see that? All right, so 17 grams of fat, 12 grams of protein, and only 2 grams of net carbs. Let's open it up and see how it looks. Okay, looks like a granola bar, as you guys can see right here. Let's go in for a bite. Woo! Okay, sorry guys, that took a long time to chew. Okay, that's all right. It's pretty decent. You can hardly taste the lemony flavor. I guess it's not like overpowering. This was decent. I've had much better bars than that, so it's okay, but not the best. So next up we have a fat bar. This is a chocolate bite, 3 grams of net carbs, keto, non-GMO, plant protein, high fiber, low sugar. Okay. All right, so here we go, guys. Okay, so here you go, right here. Looks like a chocolate bar. Let's take a bite. Okay. Oh yeah. Nice and fluffy. Oh yeah. I can roll with that. That was good. That's a good, nice little chocolatey, light and fluffy chocolate bar. I do like that. Let's go over the macros just in case you guys want to know. So this one bar is going to have 7 grams of fat. It's going to have 3 grams of net carbs, 6 grams of protein. So not bad macros at all. All right, so right here we have some hemp brittle. This is pretty cool. So this is gonna be sugar-free candy. The macros on here is 12 grams of fat, 4 grams of net carbs, and 2 grams of protein. So let's open this up and see what's inside and see how it looks like. All right, so open this up, let you guys see this. So as you can see, it's like, yeah, it's like hard candy. Okay, that's really good. 2 thumbs up. That tastes amazing. There you go. See the brand? All right, you can see. Okay, next up we have Legendary Foods. Now, I am a fan of Legendary Food Pop-tarts. They've sent me these before. I've had these before. I've talked about them on the YouTube channel. I've talked about them on my Instagram. But people were like, oh my God, those are terrible. They're not actual Pop-tarts, okay? They're keto-friendly Pop-tarts. So if you're expecting them to taste exactly like a Pop-tart, I'm sorry to bust your bubble, you little Pop-tart. They come very, very close. And again, you can eat them hot, you can eat them cold. Typically, I always eat them hot, but for the sake of this video, I don't want to go downstairs, warm it up, and wait. I will just show you how it looks like. And besides, don't lie to me. Don't lie to me. If you eat Pop-tarts, you've definitely probably eaten cold Pop-tarts. So don't tell me that you've never had cold Pop-tarts before. So let's open this up and let me show you how it looks. So, boom, wham, bam. Thank you, ma'am. Look at that. See? I don't know what you guys are talking about. I think these are delicious. For being keto friendly, these are money. If you miss Pop-tarts, and you know you can't have them anymore because you do keto, this is gonna be your next best thing right here. So next up we have some crunchy cheese Mediterranean mix. And this is pretty just like moon cheese chips. Guys, I've had a bunch of these before. They're really good. I'm not gonna open these up because I've already had plenty of them. I know how they taste. They're good. Take my word for it. They are very delicious. If you miss that crunch feeling of having chips, if you go to get-togethers and everyone's eating chips and stuff, just bring you a bag of these so you don't feel left out. Next up, we have some protein croutons. Add these with your salad. These, I've had these as well. These are really good. Not gonna open those up. Keto Farms Zesty Ranch. Now I have had these. Again, this is just like the moon cheese, but with some almonds. So it's pretty much like on the go snack. Take these to the movies if you go to the movies. I know the movies aren't open anymore, but if they were and things were back to normal, sneak these into the movies or go on a hike, whatever that may be. You're gonna play at a playground with your kids. Take these for a little snack. These are really good. All right, next up we have some Field Trip Crispy Cuts Island Barbecue. Okay, never had these before. This is definitely new. Gonna open these up right now. See how they taste. Okay, so yeah, they're like pork rinds, guys. Like pork rinds with a little bit of seasoning on them. Let's open them up. Love the flavoring, love the little kick of spice. Throw this in a little avocado, throw this in a little bit of salsa, throw them on the go, like as you can see in the back. Okay, next up we have a Hangry Bar. This is a chocolate chip keto bar. Plant protein, 4 grams of net carbs, and 2 grams of sugar. Let's open up this bar and see how it looks. Okay, looks pretty cool. Looks pretty cool. You got the chocolate chips in there. Let's take a bite, see how it tastes. That's good. That's a good flavor right there. That was really good. Okay, next up we have People's Choice beef jerky. Oh man, look at the flavor on this beef jerky. Look at all that flavoring. Look at that. Oh yeah, this is some good beef jerky right here. And this is how you know this beef jerky is good, guys. 2.5 grams of fat, 0 carbs, 0 sugar, and 16 grams of protein. All right. Speaking of beef jerky, next up we have some Mission Meats beef and veggie strip. That doesn't make sense, but okay. Here is the beef jerky. Pretty good. Pretty good ingredients as well. It's just beef, fajita, vegetables, and some salt, pepper, and some spice. That's pretty decent right there, guys. And last but not least, this is something that is new. So this is Super Coffee, Positive Energy. I love that. And this is their white chocolate peppermint. Look at that. Now, I am a big fan of Super Coffee. I do like it. You guys have seen my Costco grocery hauls, my Walmart, my Sam's, and I believe Super Coffee is available in each of those stores. And so I am a big fan of them. So never have I had this white chocolate mocha. So I'm excited to have this and try this. So this is 2.5 grams of fat, 2 grams of carbs, and 10 grams of protein. So let's open this up. Yes. Talk to me, baby. Talk to me. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, this is good, guys. Oh yeah. 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up on this, guys. This must be a new one. I'm sure it's a new one for their holiday season. White chocolate peppermint. All right, so there you go, guys. That is the month of November's Keto Crate box. Let's quickly go over everything. So we got the super creamer. That was good. We got the beef jerky. That is very high in quality. Very good ingredients. I did like this. Then we also have this Mission Meats jerky right here. That was decent. Again, not as good as this, but it's decent. Then we have the chocolate chip keto bar, which I was a fan of. That was pretty good. This being my favorite, this is the brittle candy right here. This was really good right here. I really did like this. The only thing that got stuck in my teeth. We had the fat bar. That was nice and fluffy chocolate bar. That was pretty good. The keto-friendly lemon almond crunchy bar, granola bar. It was all right. Not really a huge fan of it. These pork rinds, Island Barbecue. Money absolute money. I've had these plenty of time. These are good. The protein croutons, really good. The moon cheese chips, really good. And then obviously the legendary Pop-Tart, which again, guys, I think is good. I don't know what y'all talk about. Y'all talk so much crap, guys. Everyone's perfect. These companies to be perfect and make pizza taste exactly like pizza and make Pop-Tarts taste exactly like Pop-Tarts. What it's not. It's a keto version, okay? So get over it. And I think they're pretty good, so whatever. There you go, guys. I hope you did like this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget, guys, do not forget, I do have a discount code for Keto Crate. So if you are a first-time subscriber for Keto Coach, use my discount code, boom, right there. I believe you get $15 off, I believe. And every time you use my discount code, guys, it does directly affect me and my family. So thank you, thank you, thank you anytime you use the code. Guys, I say this all the time, is Keto Crate worth it? Absolutely, because you get to try out all the latest and greatest keto treats without having to commit to a big box of something you're not sure you're gonna like. And then you're stuck with a big box, and then you're just wasting money, and then you're just gonna throw it away. Instead, why don't you get a Keto Crate box? Try out whatever products you like. If you like it, if you're a huge fan of the legendary Pop-Tarts, well then you just go straight to legendary, and then you buy a big box because you love it so much because you got to try one. So again, it's like Christmas every single month if you love keto treats. So there you go, guys. I hope you did like this video. We'll see you on the next unboxing. I absolutely love you. Peace.